guys, welcome. It's been a while and I have been very distant with you people and all that. I have like 4 vlogs to put up, but guess what? This vlog is gonna go up before any of those 4 vlogs, right? So today is Valentine's Day. So say happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So pardon me, so we'll say like happy Valentine's Day, and also today is Ash Wednesday, so we ain't going nowhere at all. Yes, so exactly, so Fufui, shut up. So for our Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday, we are going to play some games, some ball games. So we're going to play cricket, we're going to play netball, and we're going to play volleyball, baseball, whatever it takes. This twerp told me to leave my vlogging up there. That twerp, this twerp, this twerp, this twerp.
Move now, girl.
Ah! We have Katie. We have Nicole. I have Goody Bop over there, so you 10 are we? How much are we? 5, 6. Deborah, you playing? Netball.
Come on.
Come. So. Look at them. 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 Big tough pitney. Kinda caram.
Yes,
alright.
Put it on your vlog.
I am going to. Alright, let's go guys. Let's go. Watch out, watch out. Check this out. Check this out. Check that out. So what's gonna happen? My head. I'm gonna do nothing. Look, jump on my head. Featuring Olivia. Featuring Olivia. Oh my god, my friends are crazy. Rounders.
Touch their video way. I wonder when they are video, you know. Touch one of them.
Okay, Ringo.
American basketball, baseball, I'm sorry.
So for the base then there.
You can use cheers as base. I think
Katie, they ready me about for cheerleading. Make pyramid. Make a create one routine. Okay, the routine is too difficult.